The critters at an Airstream open house. We've got a kitty in its little tent. Hey, kitty. Yeah.
Thank you.
What's his name?
Can I go in?
You can. That's the dinette. I've just made it into a bed.
Oh, nice. Oh, it's so cute. She's got homemade quilts everywhere. And this is the dinette, and she just made it into a bed. And there's the cute little kitchen. This one's called the Flying Cloud 2019.